everybody, it's Jessica from Conchita Johnson, and today I would like to show you this super easy updo style that I even do when I'm wearing a ponytail and I just get fed up of my hair. So this is something where you do not need much. I'm using some bobby pins, prepping my hair right now because I'm making first a ponytail with some hair wax to avoid my flyaways, and I like to just bring my bangs that are chin length together on the top of my head. Therefore I need 2 bobby pins, just give it a twist, and then I'm taking the rest of the hair into not very high but quite high ponytail right behind the twist that we did on the top. I'm using this teasing brush to have all the hair neat, and then the hair tie prepared in my hand. This is the first step, and now we're going to make a simple 3-strand braid. So split the hair into 3 equal strands, bring left over the middle, right over the middle, left over the middle, right over the middle. Do this until the end, and then take a tiny elastic for securing it. But before, we are going to make the braid a bit wider. So I'm using Puff Me, that is a powder. You see, just apply it and then pull gently by tucking the outer edges. Go to the other side. Do the same thing there. You can do it as much as you like. My hair is quite thick, it's a bit layered, so I don't pull too much. There you have the little elastic, and then twist your braid around the base of your ponytail, reach out to the elastic and hide the end, and then with the rest of the bun you just go over, and I need 1 bobby pin to just fix it. The other day on Sunday I just used it without any bobby pin because I didn't have one. So do like you wish. Hope you liked it. See you back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.